美味しそう。お腹すいた？
ピコピコ。100% ピコピコ。
いつもでしょ。
ずっと。
ありがとう。
That's okay, that's the inside. Because you know when you cut an apple,
Yeah.
as soon as the air gets to it, when you've peeled it, it starts to go brown.
Oh yeah.
And that's why this is going brown. It's only going brown now because up a bit first to get to that part. Yeah?
Wow, this is all mine?
Yeah. You're slow. We've been super quick. We're chopping and coring, and you're just
What am I doing?
messing about.
No! I was getting the bruise off!
Oh, okay then. That's all right. Fingers.
No,
Are you afraid?
I don't like red.
Why? Custard or cream?
Oh,
You can pour cream. Oh yes. You can pour custard on it, or cream, or thick cream that blob. Yeah. Or you can pour custard over it, or you can pour cream on it. Lots of choices. Oh look, we've nearly got another layer of apple because Super Chopper's busy. Who's Super Chopper? A few more. A few more. Can't believe you don't get your fingers red. Dear me.
Do they?
Because fruit, it's soft fruit. Okay, and now put all those on the top. 70, keep going, a little bit more. Slowly.
You can take it out.
Oh, I think you might need to. You need
There's a hole. So
Oh, it's just torn there. Oh dear, look at.
don't know what to do.
Are you looking? 60 still. I sat cuddling Ruby, so that's perhaps why I smell Ruby. It's easy to mix it in, and it mixes it in more evenly through the flour. I was going to say pastry then. It's not pastry. But you have to have cold hands to do it, because if you don't, it will melt in your hands before you get it. And do it like that.
I know how to do it with scones, so
Well, that's the same.
because Daddy
It's called
me how to do it.
rub in.
Daddy
Rub in.
taught me how to do it.
It's good. Does he teach you to get all the butter off the side of the bowl as well?
Oh yes.
We call it rub in method because you rub like that. Yeah, rub it in. It's ready?
What? Nice touch. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Woohoo!
And then just stir it all in. You don't have to rub it in, just mix it around so it's all mixed in. Pretend your hands are a spoon and just stir it all in. Yeah?
Nish.
Can you see the brown sugar and the white sugar, or is it all mixed in?
I can see the white sugar and brown sugar.
It's all over the top.
I think it will say freeze or stop or something.
That's it. All over. Don't forget the edges.
Oh yes.
All the way over. Cover it all over.
I'm covering the black bit.
You've got to cover all that fruit with this.
Oh my goodness. I'm hiding the apples and the blackberries actually. Yes!
Is it all covered up?
It's like a sand.
Look at all this.
Ta-da! And
But
sprinkle.
don't make it too flat on the top, because if it's too flat it won't be crispy pieces. Okay, so just leave it all sprinkly on the top. That's it. In the oven, 170
Yes.
for about 30 minutes. There.
Look.
Beautiful.
Hey, look. Hey, stop.
Get stop. cheeky monkey. Bit like that.
Alexa, 英語に変えて。Looks yummy.
暑いからね。
美味しそう。
Ooh. Yummy. Looks delicious.
ブラックベリーの色が可愛いね。
どうぞ。
ありがとう。
はい。のせるよ。食べてよ。
はーい。おいしい。
よし。美味しいじゃない？